The cause of Nnamdi, the cause that Nnamdi is fighting for is very clear to them. And you and I, very clear. And you put him over bar. Nigeria believe that you know they are God, that they are not God. Nigeria government, the federal government of Nigeria believe that they are God. That they know it all. That they don't know anything. Yes, the struggle, I mean, the agitation of Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? The struggle does not make you know. It's not. I mean, Nnamdi Kanu is not fighting for his, you know, his own selfish interest. No. You and I know the men. The men Biafra. No, the right thing, the cause I think Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. You cannot tell me that this is black. What I know that this is white. No, you cannot tell me. What Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for is the right of the Easterners. Not to the other Igbo speaking. All over the Easterners. That's what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. Now you detain him. And you come to this way. You know, the sickness has come. No, the sickness has come now. You refuse to, you know, to grant him bail to see his daughter. This is what is the normal, I mean, the reasonable country, the normal country. We look into, then we look into the issue. I don't know how. I have told them that this country is very wicked. I have told Nigerians that Nigeria government are very wicked. Come to the eastern part of the country. Come to the eastern part of the country. I mean, they don't want that you know, the people of the Easterners, you know, to know what is going on. That is why they don't want you to close to them. They can only use you and get what they want. The cause of Nnamdi, the cause that Nnamdi is fighting for is very clear to them. And you and I, very clear. And you put him over bar. Because he tell you people that what you are doing is not good. What you are doing is not right. That's not right. It's not, you know, the right way to follow, the right way to go. They move our country forward. How can you, you know, pack me one side? Pressing my head day by day, teaching me day by day. You ask me not to talk. You ask me not to vomit out. You ask me not to, you know, shout out, raise alarm, so that, you know, people will hear will have my cry. You ask me not to cry. It's like you beat me. Ask me not to cry. Like you beat your child. Not ask your cry. I mean, the child not to cry. I mean, it's very painful. The cause that Nnamdi is fighting for, I mean, it's very clear. For those who understand, not those that are beating around the bush, who don't know, who don't believe the truth. That's why Nigeria is like this. That's why you and I are suffering like this. That's why you come to this country, you know, a graduate, you have a different degree. All manner of degree. End of the day, you end up on Okada rider. You end up on a keke rider. You end up on a wheelbarrow pusher. That's Nigeria for you. Nigeria does not, they don't want to hear the truth. They don't want to follow the truth. That's why Nigeria is like this. Yes, you and I know. You know what I'm saying. You know. Yes, they don't want to the truth. So let me tell you, if they don't give him Nnamdi Kanu, you know, the freedom to see his daughter. If anything comes to happen, I mean, they have been romancing the lion tail. They have been romancing the lion. It's like they are trying to, you know, tap the lion tail. They have been romancing the lion. I always telling them, they have to give them, you know, freedom. They have to give them the chance to see his daughter.
or
He's a human being.
or
They have released others.
or do you think that they believe that Nnamdi Kanu is pretending, or you know,
There's nothing like
or doctors
pretending.
giving fake reports, something like that?
That's nothing like that's nothing like pretending. Nothing like pretending. Nothing like pretending, my brother. Let me tell you. Nigeria government as a federal, you understand me? Nigeria government are so, you know, they know how to, manipulate. They know how to manipulate. They know that this guy is sick. They know it. It cannot happen in no other country.
Some are saying they've given him like slow poison, that he has been
They are
poisoned.
capable. They are very smart on that level, on that way. They are very smart because they are not happy. You know what they are benefiting? You know what they are benefiting in that south, in that eastern region. You know what they are benefiting? Their annoyance is why now they can't come out to raise alarm. Why is he crying? Why is he vomiting out? Why is he raising alarm? That's the annoyance. And they don't want to hear anything concerning issue of biafra. Okay, when you are pushing me, eating me, pressing me, suppressing you're suppressing my I and my brothers. You ask me, let us not to address alarm. You are taking what belongs to each one of us. I won't belong to you in your own region. You know, you package that one. What belong to me? You come my house, you know, to occupy my land. Occupy what belong to me. Occupy what belong to me. You know, suppressing my people. You ask us not to cry out. You think that this country will have peace? They will never have peace. The country can never have peace. They have to give him Nnamdikanu. They have to open door for them. Open door for Nnamdikanu to see his daughter. To know what is going on. To know what is going on in his health. Let the doctor see him. Let the doctor treat him. He cannot just say put over bar without nothing. Without case. The doctor have told you, release this man. Leave this man. You have no case to answer. The man is a free man. You refuse. The northern refuse. The northern. The Fulanis. The Manami and Co. Bintanyaku. They refuse to release my brother. And then you come to their own side. Take an example. What Boko Haram are doing in the north. Northern part of the country. The bandits. End of the day, they will call them. They will set their arrest. They are repented. What rubbish? They are repented Boko Haram. You will join the military. You give them gun. Give them uniform. Is that the country? How can we run this country like this? At the end of the day, they will come after them. They will still go back where they belong. And you say it's a country. A terrorist that destroy the innocent, destroy the villagers, killing the innocent soul. Killing the innocent, destroy the villagers, the farmland, the scatter. You cannot be able to walk in your forest. You cannot be able to walk anyhow in your forest. How you mean in your farmland? The Fulani herdsmen. They do not say a word. Nothing happened. Nothing. End of the day, you pamper them. No, this one is like what Nnamdi is fighting for. He said, no, all those guys who cannot connect, how can you be killing me day by day? How can you kill my brothers and sisters? And you look at it as a threat to you. You know, arrest him and put him inside bar. Over bar. You don't want anything to, you don't want the truth to come out. When you say the truth, we had it. You close the chapter, you close the truth of the truth. The package to one side. When you come to your people, you pamper them. The matter will close. The matter will close. They come to the Easterners, the Igbos. They are the problem. Why? Why is it like this? They should give it chance to see doctor. I will tell that, my brother, if anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, it's not just like, it's not just, how can you put somebody inside bar, over bar, for years? At the end of the day, we say he's pretending. Pretending herself. Over bar. For years, without sing song, without song, without movement. Because of the fighting for injustice. What is he fighting for? Injustice. Not justice. Injustice. That's what he's fighting for. Now he refused to give him grantor. You have to give. He refused to grant him bail to see his daughter. Just to see his daughter. To have the medical, attention. He refused. Something is fishing. These people does not want, the good thing to, they don't want good thing in this country. They don't want good thing in this country because they know that this man is fighting for the right side. That's why they refuse. About the president, let them give him a chance to see his daughter. Let them give him Nnamdi Kanu to see his daughter. Because if anything happen, my brother, if anything happen, I mean, Nigeria will see on the other side. I have told them it's not Biafra on 1967. The Biafra we are talking about today is another Biafra. It's another Biafra. So let the advice I will just give them. Let you leave this man. Let's allow him to see his daughter. If they don't want to release him yet, okay. Let him see his daughter. So the daughter will see what is happening, what is wrong. So for ABC, there's nothing wrong there. He's still holding detention. Allow him to see his daughter. Simple. Allow him Nnamdi Kanu to see his daughter. What type of wickedness is this? And if you come to the other side, they will proper justice. They will proper justice. So let me tell you. Let me tell them. Enough is a good advice to the wise. It's a good advice to the wise. They should leave this man to see his daughter. Same as ABC. Without that, if anything happens to Nnamdi Kanu, it will be a visitor. It will be a visitor because Igbos are not happy. I'm not happy particularly. I'm not happy. I'm not happy for what I'm seeing in this country. The injustices I'm seeing in this country, I'm not happy with Nigeria. I can never be happy with Nigeria unless they come, to do things right. That's why I looked into Nigeria. So, well, let's, but let good be good. Let's, bad be bad.
My reason is that there was never a time we promised Yoruba that we are going to protest with them. Right from onset, early this year, we said Yoruba go and protest, we are not going with you. So I don't know how come this empty, irreasonable, blank accusation of the Igbos protesting in Southwest. Yoruba, without telling us, we know. We leave them for their own pain and their gain. We are not protesting with them. I don't know why they are much bothered again over tribalities. As far as I'm concerned, it's very, very unimportant to tell us. Because we have seen before the unimportance on this protest of Igbo man taking part. That's why we distance ourselves not up to 3-4 months ago. Am I telling lies? We said we are not going to protest with them. That was when Labour was about doing theirs. Labour Congress. We said we are not going to be part of it. But this one that is going to lead to political crisis, political impasse. We are not going to be part of it in this land. And we are advising that diligently the Igbos that are in the southeastern Nigeria should come up, every one of them, towards the whole states, Igbo state secretaries. They should go there and tell the governors where they are not getting it wrong. I don't understand. Yeah. Why should we protest here? If the government is good here, is it not only Yoruba? We shouldn't. Because Yoruba are the one paying tax. Yoruba are the one growing the economy of Southwest. Igbo man doesn't put hand in there. Igbo don't pay any money. Igbo man, we know they even pay house rent. We know they pay for chop. So we come, we watch them. They protest because they are the one that has built Lagos economy. Now, see, if you understand literary language, you will know actually that I'm using what? Parabolic expressions, or you can call it hyperbole or ironical expression. I'm trying to tell you that all I've said now before is called paradox. 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 That's the meaning. Go and Google it. Paradox. Yoruba man growing Lagos state economy is an ironical expression. We are not paying for chop. We are not paying for house. I'm an Igbo man. It's a pure paradox. What we are trying to say is that people that are calling us fool, we are trying to stop them from following us to the city of the ants, lest they become wise. If you get to the city of the ants, you will be a wise man. So when I'm saying all this, I know what I'm saying indirectly. Protest Yoruba so that the economy that you have built will remain for you. Anybody that fetches wood infested insects must make sure that if lizard comes visiting, it will never ever scare it away. You stay and dine and eat with the lizards. So we are not bothered. When the time of protest shall come, the Igbos will mind the southeast. Yoruba will mind their own land. They are the cause of the current problem. Tinubu is playing to the gallery that is Jagaban. Jagaban is not by mouth. You can't build Nigeria economy because you don't know. When you don't know, you don't know. And today it is playing back on him. I think some persons are very shameless to the extent that they cannot own it up. That they don't know. Quackery can never help. Incompetence can never help as well. Bad governance, everything about individual mentality can never help a country, a system like this in a country. We are not bothered. We are not bothered, my brother. We are not bothered.
Okay, I'm not bothered.
Yeah,
So,
Igbos, we are not bothered.
so what do you say as regards the military? You know, advising the military, advising the Biafrans to come out to protest. There is a civil right to protest in the southeast. The military, Nigerian military, telling the Biafrans youth to come out and protest. There is a civil right to protest for a peaceful protest.
We are not going to obey the military's advice. If we are going there to protest because military say we should protest, the military they should put their gun down. Move away from the barracks, drop all their guns. We can never be that gullible to come and protest when the military are inviting us. They're inviting Igbo youth so that we will shoot all of them. The military, anytime you plan, we see it. Yes, we are more endowed with wisdom. Igbo youth are not coming to protest. No, I don't understand what the military is saying. And I know where they are going. They want to lure us out and kill all the youth in Igbo land. That advice is such a very dangerous advice to come out and protest in the southeast. It doesn't concern them. Is this a military regime? Or what does military have to do with Igbo youth? To advise the Igbo youth to come out so that they will kill everybody. Okay, we are not gullible. Because of this advice, if they study well the situation of the protest, I think the youth in Igbo land, they are well endowed with wisdom. They will know how to do it. They're not doing it, not protesting because Nigerian military is telling them to come out. They are planning it. When Igbo youths come out, they will kill all of them. Okay? If you want to kill Igbo youths in the southeast, remember, he that licks the cherry, he must know as we are swallowing the seed of the cherries, consider the shape of your anus. Because when you are excreting it, if the shape of your anal shape is too tight, okay, you will be making noises as you cheat. Are you listening to me? You are hearing this able to get the protest against Eastern state government, governments under the governor. Is that a good advice? Igbo man cannot come if only our protest is going to be based on advice given by the military. No. Come there, there is something there. There is not something there because there's much gap between the Igbo youth and the military. That advice is very, very dangerous. In fact, it seems as if this protest is not going to be extended to southeastern Nigeria for the lives of those innocent youth. During the time of peace and serenity in the southeast, Nigerian military used to mow them down with blood, killing everybody, killing papa, killing mama, setting houses ablaze because of what I tag as Igbophobia, hatred of Igbo. Nigerian military, we are not going to protest if that is what is making you happy. We are not going to protest.